Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix Xiaomi C701 connection timed out. So as you can see here, I do have my camera, my application, but it will be useless when you do have your connection timed out. So the first thing I'm gonna recommend to you is that you have to fast reset your camera. Personally, you can ensure that your phone is on either 2.4 GHz connection, 5 GHz connection, Wi-Fi 6. If it's connected to the older version or newer version of the Wi-Fi, it won't be supported. Apart from that, disable or enable the mobile data in your phone, of course. Apart from that, you can try moving closer to the router, like very close, for example, near it, and retrieve the pairing. This should fix their issue. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.